Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Adunni here again, and if you're new on my channel, I am a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. And in this video you'll be learning how to cornrow your natural hair, and I'll also be discussing with you guys some natural hair struggles that I have seen people face, and especially seen my kid sister face. If you're new on my channel, please do consider clicking the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video or any other video on my channel. So my Nigerian mom is trying to make my kid sisters a guys. One of the things that is one of the biggest struggle for naturalistas is the shrinkage. The afro is actually quite very beautiful when it shrinks, but guys, you know the pain that comes with when you have your hair out for a longer period of time and you're now trying to now make it into a cornrow or into braid. Guys, it's painful, and I can totally relate to this because I'm currently transitioning my hair from relaxed to natural. And if you keep watching this video while listening to my chit chat, you definitely will learn one or two things about how to cornrow natural hair at home. So as I was saying, guys, the pain that comes with making natural hair, I honestly wish there was something that could be done to reduce that pain, because I have been thinking, do I really want to go this natural hair journey route? Honestly, it's not like I owe it to anybody, but guys, I just want to experience it. And also my hair is not doing so well in its relaxed state, so I've been off relaxer for about 26 28 weeks now, if I'm right. And I was trying to get cornrow done, the one in my last vlog, guys. I even said it in my last vlog that hair was so painful. It came out really beautiful, but it was so painful. Another thing that I think naturalistas struggle with is the fact that natural hair gets to get rough, or it tends to get rough easily. And I noticed that in my last cornrow. I made my last cornrow without any extension, and it got quite rough early, or earlier than if my hair was still relaxed. I don't know if I'm making sense at this point, but I think that is actually one of another struggles that naturalistas face. Honestly, I'm actually enjoying it. I'm enjoying the process. And so guys, do share with me in the comment section any struggle you think naturalistas are facing, so that I can get my mind ready for the journey ahead of me. And I hope you all will be here to pull my intro because guys, I'm really worried, I'm really scared, and I just want to get my hair in a very healthy state, be it relaxed or natural. And I have done it relaxed, I didn't get the healthy state, so now I decided to go natural and see if my hair will get to the stage where I would like it and I would be able to enjoy the process also. Guys, that is it for this video. Make sure to watch up until the end and enjoy this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and all of that good stuff. I'll see you in my very next one. Bye.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? Supposed to feel. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.